Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Roan. Today, we're going to talk about the distance of 2 points in a coordinate plane. Okay, this is similar to the distance of 2 points in a number line. If you haven't learned that already, there is a link in the description box below. But if you already know how to get the distance of 2 points um, in a number line, then we can start with our lesson. So get your pen and your paper and let's go. So let us review first the rectangular coordinate plane. So it is a two-dimensional plane used to locate points made up of two perpendicular number lines, the x and y axis, that intersect at the origin 0, 0. So this is an example of a rectangular coordinate plane. So now we will discuss the distance between 2 points in a rectangular coordinate plane. So the distance between 2 points in a rectangular coordinate plane is the square root of the sum of the squares of their horizontal and vertical distances. So the distance formula is d equals, okay, so the difference between x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared, so that is the horizontal distance, plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared, so that is the vertical distance. Okay, so x sub 1, x sub 2, and x sub 2, y sub 2 are the coordinates of the two given points, just like in the previous lesson about midpoint. Now we're ready to solve the first example. Find the distance of A, negative 2, 1, and B, 2, 4. So first, we're going to plot the points in the Cartesian plane or the rectangular coordinate plane. So A is in negative 2, 1. So this is A. And B is in 2, 4. So this is 2, 4. So we're going to connect. Okay, so given x sub 1 is negative 2, x sub 2 is 2, and then y sub 1 is 1, and y sub 2 is 4. We're going to use the formula. Okay, so the distance formula is again square root of the horizontal distance plus the square of the vertical distance. So, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, so titingnan natin. So, let's look at this. So, that is the horizontal distance. By inspection, you can count the number of the number of units from A to B horizontally. So, this is A to B. So, that is 4. And then, horizontal distance and the vertical distance is 3. So, let's look at the formula. Okay, so this is D equals square root of 2 minus negative 2, okay, squared, plus 4 minus 1 squared. So, 2 minus negative 2 is 4, okay, squared, plus 4 minus 1 is 3. So, this is D equals 4 squared plus 3 squared. 4 squared is 16 and 3 squared is 9. So, this is D equals square root of 16 plus plus 9, square root of 16 plus 9. So if we're going to add them, okay, so that is 16 plus 9, that is 25. So this is square root of 25. But 25 is a perfect square. So we can get the square root. So the square root of 25 is 5. So the answer is the distance between A and B is 5. Alright, so here is another example. Find the distance between m negative 3, negative 2, and n 2, negative 4. So first, again, we are going to plot these points. So this is negative 3, negative 2, which is m, and then 2, negative 4 is n. And then we connect these points. So, given x sub 1 equals negative 3, x sub 2 is 2. Again, the first coordinates or the x coordinates, okay, of each point. And then y sub 1 equals negative 2, y sub 2 equals negative 4. So the formula of the distance is equal to, okay, square root of the square of the horizontal distance. So x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is the horizontal distance. And then add the vertical distance, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, and then square. So basically, again, these are the squares of the horizontal and vertical distance. So by inspection, you can determine the horizontal and the vertical distance. You just count. Okay, this is 5, and this is 2. Okay, so the horizontal distance is 5, and the vertical distance is 2. So that is, okay, if we're going to follow the distance formula, that is square root of 2 minus negative 3, okay, and then plus negative 4 minus negative 2. So 2 minus negative 3, that would become plus, okay, so copy, change. So 2 plus 3, so that would be 5 squared, plus negative 4, copy, okay, plus, okay, so negative 4 plus 2, that would be negative 2. So this will become d equals square root of 5 squared plus negative 2 squared. Okay, so 5 squared is 25, negative 2 squared is 4. Again, when you square a negative number, the answer is always, okay, positive. Okay, so 25 plus 4, that is 29. So the distance is square root of 29. But 29 is not a perfect square. Also, 29 has no perfect square factors. So, the final answer is already, the distance is square root of 29. Now we go to our last example. Find the distance between P, negative 2, negative 2, and Q, 2, 4. Alright. So, we get the points first. Alright. So, we have P in negative 2, negative 2, and then Q at 2, 4. Okay, and then we connect. So, given x sub 1 is negative 2, x sub 2 is 2, y sub 1 is negative 2, and y sub 2 is 4. So, first, we're going to memorize the formula. Again, distance is equal to square root of quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus quantity y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. Okay, so again, the squares of the horizontal and vertical distances. Okay, so if we're going to look at the graph, we just count the horizontal and the vertical distance. We can have 4 and 6. So let's look at the formula. Okay, so the solution is 2 minus negative 2 squared plus, okay, so that's the square root of 2 minus negative 2 squared plus 4 minus negative 2 squared. So again, copy, change. So this would become square root of 2 plus 2, so that is 4 squared, okay, plus 4 plus 2, that is 6 squared. So that is square root of 4 squared plus 6 squared. Okay, so notice that when you use the formula, you get the same horizontal and vertical distance. Okay, so that is 16 plus 36 is 52. Now, 52 is not a perfect square, but it has perfect square factor, which is 4. So that is square root of 4 times 13. To simplify, we get the square root of the perfect square factor, which is 4. So the square root of 4 is 2. So our answer is D equals 2 square root of 13. So this ends our lesson in finding the distance between 2 points in a coordinate plane. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, goodbye!